Hi friends, I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious and super easy strawberry banana smoothie. And you don't need so many ingredients, so let me show you. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to need some yogurt. I'm using this strawberry Chobani yogurt, but you can use the plain one if you want to. Then we are gonna need some strawberries. I forgot to freeze them. But you can freeze them beforehand or use them as is. And also I'm gonna use this puree instead of the strawberries because I need to use it up. Next we are going to need a whole banana. I'm gonna use this one because it's going bad, and if not it's just gonna go to waste. And you can also freeze that one beforehand. And finally you're gonna need some ice. I have this cup full of ice here. Now we're just gonna blend everything together. I'm using about this much of yogurt. I'm adding my banana. A little bit of that strawberry puree. And my ice. Now I'm just gonna put the lid on. And this blender has a smoothie setting that I love, so I'm just gonna press that, and then I'm gonna let it do its thing and wait for it to finish. I would have the link to this blender in the description box in case you want to check it out. I love Drew Barrymore's collection, so this blender, highly recommend. I only use it for smoothies. Alrighty, so now we just gotta pour our smoothie, and that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial. I'm planning on making more tutorials like this that are not just crochet related. Let me know if you're interested. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.